If you picked up a copy of The Gleaner a couple of weeks ago, you're probably already familiar with the story of my guests now. But we just had to meet the two high schoolers who are doing fantastic things for, we call them the underserved and underprivileged communities, which include the homeless and the elderly. Young philanthropists Lonnie Jones and Sheldon Williams are here. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Thank you for being here with us on Smart Jamaica this morning. You both are such a shining example of what young people should be and who young people should aspire to be. First of all, tell us a little bit about yourself. I'm going to go with ladies first. Lonnie, tell us about yourself. You're 10 years old. School?
I attend the Harrison Memorial Preparatory School.
And where is that?
That is located in Montego Bay.
Montego Bay. And Sheldon, you are a student at?
Claude McKay High.
Okay, and you are a 9th grader, you say?
Yes, miss.
All right, I'm going to trust you on that. You're so tiny, but I believe you. Tell me a little bit about why you think it's important for young people to get involved in volunteer service, which is what you both do. Lonnie, I'm going to start with you. You say you've been doing this since you were 2, so obviously your family has been involved in this kind of thing.
Yes, we usually go around and on the street, I usually, like one day, my grandma told me that when I was small, when I was like 2 or 3, I saw this madman and I said, "Madman, you want some of my lunch?" And then he started laughing and then he said yes.
And did you give it to him?
Yes.
You did. And it's yes, go ahead.
I had lunch left over from school, so I gave it to him.
Yeah. You are a Christian?
Yeah,
So-
Seventh-day
A
Adventist.
Seventh-day Adventist. So is a lot of this about, you know, fulfilling what the Bible says about being good to people, and that's a large part of it as well.
Yes.
Yeah. And your work centers mainly around the homeless.
Yes.
So tell me what you do in that area.
Sometimes we usually go out on the road and give out food and clothes to them.
And how do you get help in doing this? How do you get help in carrying it out?
Grandma usually helps
Grandma
me.
usually helps you. Yeah. Okay. So, what is your mission? Tell me who you usually work with.
I work with mostly the babies.
Mostly the babies.
Yes.
Can you tell me why, Sheldon? Why the
Because
baby?
I like to see when they smile.
You have siblings? You have brothers and sisters?
Yes, but they're older.
They're older than you are. So when did your work with the babies start?
This summer, actually.
Just this summer is that? Tell me how you got into it. How did it start?
I was at school one day and my teacher came to me and said I will have to spend Labor Day in Manchester.
Go on. So you went to Manchester and what happened?
And I saw these 2 little babies and I liked them.
And you just decided you wanted to work with them. So you work with a home or you work with folks who have children? How does it work?
Like a home.
You work with a home. Okay. All right. And the best part of it for you is just seeing them smile. You know that you're making them happy.
Yeah.
So you go and you play with them. What kind of things do you do with the
Read
kids?
story to them.
You
play
read
with
stories.
them.
What age group are you talking about?
One
What
and a
age?
half.
Children. 1.5?
Yeah.
2. Okay. So, Lonnie, a part of what you do, you say it brings you great joy, but a part of what makes it hard for you is having to leave the people when you're done.
Yes.
So there's joy in it, but it also, yeah. How do you deal with that part of it?
Sometimes it makes me emotional because I get to go home to my nice house and sleep in a nice bed and they have to sleep on the street. And sometimes people are actually mean to them.
And you mentioned bullying in this article,
Yes.
which is, you know, something that people do to people who are on the street sometimes. They do to young people like yourselves. You say you've experienced it, so you know what it's like, which makes you want to help even more.
Yes.
So what would you say to, you know, people your age? You have a lot of young people your age who I guess you would want to see doing work like this. Sheldon, what would you say to a 9th grader who's watching, who thinks they can't make a difference in Jamaica? What would you say?
You would say to try. maybe then we make a difference.
Do you think you're making a difference?
Yeah.
Is this something that you want to continue doing?
Yes.
Yes. Lonnie, what would you say to a 10-year-old child who thinks what they really should be doing is watching TV and playing on their tablet? How can they
Yes.
make a bigger difference?
They can make a bigger difference because, like, I'm supposed to say, like, look at where you are now. You have a nice house and everything, and they have to stay on the street by themselves. Think about others and not about yourself.
And see how you can
alone.
help them.
Yes.
So your plan is to keep doing this
Yes.
for as long as you can?
Yes.
Yeah, I think you guys are going to do great. School has begun, right?
Yes.
Yes, so good luck to both of you as you head into school. What grade are you in, Lonnie?
5.
You're in grade 5 now. Okay, so you're almost at PEP. Well, you're PEP this year and you're PEP next year. So I understand you're a top boy in your school?
Yes.
Yes? So keep doing well and keep changing lives. Thank you both for being here this morning.
Yeah.
It's an honor to have met you. No matter how young you are, as a child, we'll lead, and these two are leading young philanthropists, Lonnie Jones and Sheldon Williams. And we have more young people doing great things after we return from this break. News in 5 is next.